Welcome to my channel. So today I finally published my first task. Honestly, this doesn't even feel real yet. A few weeks ago, Reportli AI was just an idea sitting in my head. No use, nothing built, no users, no product. Just me thinking about problems and wondering if I could actually create something and people would use. The idea came from something really simple. I kept noticing how repetitive client reporting is. Every month, it's the same workflow again and again. Export CSV files, open spreadsheets, copy numbers, take screenshot, move everything into PowerPoint, export, send report. And the whole time I kept thinking, why is this still so manual? People are spending hours every month making reports that should take minutes. And when I thought maybe I should try building something around this. The funny thing is I had no experience building a real SaaS before this. I'm not an expert developer. I'm not one of those founders who raise money or a huge team. I'm literally learning while building. When I started working on Reportli AI, everything felt confusing. I had bugs everywhere. Sometimes the app completely broke for no reason. Sometimes features work one day and fail the next day. There were moments where I spent hours of trying to fix one small issue. And honestly, there were nights where I genuinely thought about quitting the project. Not because the idea was bad, but because building something from scratch is way harder than it looks online. On social media, people only post the exciting part. Build a SaaS in 7 days, made 10k MRR, got 100 users overnight. But nobody really talks about the frustrating part, the confusion, the self-doubt, the moments where nothing works, the feeling, the self-doubt, the moments where nothing works, the feeling of staring at errors for hours without understanding what is happening. I went through all of that while building this. There were days where I thought maybe I'm not good enough for this, but I kept working on it little by little, one feature at a time, one bug at a time, one improvement at a time, and slowly the product started become real. The reports started looking cleaner. AI summaries started working. Better dashboard. The dashboard become usable. The whole idea finally started making sense. And today I finally published my first Reportli AI. It's a web app that turns CSV file into client-ready reports automatically using AI. You upload CSV file into my web app and generate summaries, insights, highlights, weak areas, opportunities, and a formatted report with PDF format. The goal is simple: saving agencies and freelancers hours of manual reporting work every month. This is still version 1. There are still bugs, still features are missing, still lot I wanted to improve. But honestly, I'm proud that I actually shipped something, because most people stay in the idea phase forever. Thinking about startups, thinking about apps, thinking about business ideas, but never actually building. This is the first time I stopped overthinking and just made something real. Maybe it grows, maybe nobody uses it, maybe I pivot later. But I know one thing for sure: I am going to keep building, because shipping your first product changes the way you think. You stop seeing apps as big companies. You start realizing that every product started with someone confused, learning, testing, failing, and figuring things out step by step. So that's basically where I am right now. Beginner founder, first task, learning everything while building. Now the next goal is get real users, and I'm planning to market my app with LinkedIn and Reddit and with Twitter. I will use this platform to market my SaaS, to get real users and listen to feedback and improve the product and keep going. And you need to give me the feedback about this video, because I copied this script from ChatGPT. That's why I have so many errors. My hands are coming. the video is breaking because I copied the ChatGPT script and showing on the screen I'm reading. That's why the some errors or errors in this video. So you need to give me the feedback in the comments, and the next video will come soon. In the next video, I will share about my marketing strategies with Reddit and LinkedIn and X. You see. Okay, bye.